What's up everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can go and upload YouTube shorts from your phone. Open up YouTube and click on the bottom right, you see U icon. Go to your channel, here go to your videos and select shorts. Here click on create, and here as you guys can see selected short, and you can record it at, or you can just go and hit add, and let me just drop a shot and click on done. After that it will take a few seconds and process the video. Once the processing is done, click on icon and click next. Here are different options provided to you guys. You can change its visibility, you can add location, you can select specific audience. Yes, it's not for kids, and you can select this uploading as, and here add a name and stuff like this. Let me just show you guys. Add name, add hashtags, and after that select audience, and once you're done click on upload. And it's that simple. I hope the video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.